We're going to discuss 7 measures to value product design. Each of the 7 measures are ways to assess design excellence or the market value that design excellence can create. Research shows that high performance in specific areas of design creates disproportionate financial value versus industry averages. Sustainable design can create 20% price premiums. User interface design can create 200% greater returns. User experience design can create 400% greater returns. Good old-fashioned industrial design, if sustained over a period of years, can double your market cap. Digital design and digital product enablement can almost double your gross margin and operating margin, all if you do them better than most. The magnitudes of the ways to create or to reap value were the focus of the first 2 programs in this Product Design Values 767 Plus series. Today, we'll open the program by discussing some of the challenges to isolate these design parameters in ways that they can be measured. We'll then look at each of the 7 measures we've selected for this program. They cover quite a range. The first 2 measures, SUS and HEART, are mature but flexible ways to assess design quality and robustness. They can be applied from the beginning of product planning and design throughout the product lifecycle. The next 2 measures, PPP and ROCS, assess the innovativeness of design. PPP does so at a product level, or can be averaged to reflect overall corporate performance across all products. ROCS is a brand new metric that just hit public literature early in 2019. We expect many companies will copy or emulate it in the years ahead. The 5th measure today is actually a group of measures that go a long way to capturing the business value across good industrial design, user interface, user experience, and digital design. Collectively, they measure both the output and financial results of user-centric product development and give you a great idea how much your customers like what your company is releasing to the marketplace. The 6th and 7th measures are best-in-class industry benchmarks that exist today on the overall values of good design at the corporate level. The plus in this program, noting there are many measures we could have also selected for this program, quickly walks through a couple other measures that should be considered by companies that have design prioritized as a corporate strategic initiative. These measures have design components to them or measure additional design attributes beyond the 7 measures we discuss. To conclude the program, we'll suggest how these measures might fit into corporate dashboards and suggest how best to incorporate them. Most GGI presentations include a good amount of secondary research, where we research the primary research and publications of other experts. For all quotes and citations in our program today, you'll find a proper bibliographic reference directly below the blue line at the bottom of each page that contains quoted or cited material and images. I wish that you enjoy our program and even more that you put it to good use. Okay, let's dive in.